Thank you very much for giving me this privilege. Dimapur Ao Baptist Church under Substance Abuse Committee under Youth Ministry. 이 프로그램 다중양과 이와 프로그램 농야 빨라게츠사 마음과 아가츠바드마 가마빌랄 아설성을 듣는 상을 마방달라 마기즈므랑즈. I hope whomsoever is listening to this presentation will be benefited. Drug addiction related no 준비ner. Drug addiction dasara bangla ibaya unuk tulu atam. It is a very broad topic. Dasar kundaiga 준비라 준비 맞지. Detail no mauzi saga tungdibang unukar lemsadapsi in relation to drug addiction. 마방다자가 경화 다임네비드마 드모노가자 안마닥즈네. Drugs does no drugs야 다보아야 당예. 디테일 라작지 준비야 먹지. 동디방 디바 drugs지 opioid family 다자나 heroin kind of drugs. Heroin kind of drugs 누야 담 불와 란노르 냠치바야 sunflower 다 사람 지들. Sunflower, where some mix up there, Tandadashi. Saga sunflower, achir, arur, Rondara, Panupinam withdrawal symptom, heroin withdrawal symptom, Masaka, arur. Tasvage, sunflower, Musnuya Tama chemical mixture, Aliwa, predominantly heroin family by us. Kichibasramula. Withdrawal symptom heroin withdrawal symptom then kasaranje kijiba muzaji tenza ta chamidas namba utala is even jama medokze reason I am alizaje the reason I got libajage because of whatever reason a person starts using drugs aji tenza garbo madokze. After developing addiction, they cannot leave the drugs because of two reasons. Cause physical dependence, physical dependence, the withdrawal symptoms that they go through. Very, very painful. It is equated to labor pain. That's about withdrawal symptoms. Withdrawal symptoms details but it is as painful as labor pain. That is how it is described. Physical withdrawal symptom no psychological withdrawal symptom psychological withdrawal symptom, that is the paraphernalia. But drug injections Pek dilagano, sirinjama, the sir cotton number, Zama, the Tapoto, Perlisneva, Amshiva, Mundua addiction develops psychological addiction, but drug using lifestyle, every day that lifestyle related with the drug using habit, even dependence develops, addiction develops, the Ivala Kodam Malegum there. Physical, psychological withdrawal symptoms develop us. Muza jirvaje, ajit the Zukwamabonge, Bado, Poraburi addicted Tamasa Budama. Muza jirvia, it starts with use. Tamasa use as Evasunja abuse, that's Evasunja dependence, that's use, that's Ramana, Kangandam share. Kanganam Shivajaga Takamno Kaja Tapoksa Major Ivaji use. Use as Sabado Kudam Kangandam share Saga Takamno Tapoksa Ajur Tadishizage drugs cheer under intoxication Karyanina exitness. Drugs cheer office mood, schooling mood, Masuma Kidam Kimun Dimdam Atal. 건강당하지 마지막 그저 withdrawal symptom 말이 사 건강당하지 않도 딤덤사 아주를 이와당제 abuse 다자에 다 서버스는 drug addiction 다 준비해봐야 dependence stage. The person is dependent on the drug. Pano category ba ya drug addiction da chimpier. Kodang dependence develops there muza je ba to madok zete. Nim ma sheba ma to physical that's our psychological withdrawal symptom develop as here. Evola develop as ba jage muza je ba je manande. Muza je ba je Saramala Kuma Ajitsu. How do we identify a person who is consuming drugs? Akidang Kuma Liba Lirwaliasa Liba Lirudu Palahana Kumatos. India, Zia to Palahadam, Jimishina to Palahadam, daily routine, but Ulda Pulda, Juma Majamar. Jumba time Ulda Pulda, Juma Majumer, office no harassment, school, college no harassment. There is work efficiency decline, Tamasma academic performance decline, Pado, Tuno Pulibra, and the Lam masses. Around Madmer, do Tamajuma the answer, the Dulam Madmer. Yes, Chimile, Sentalim Chilidas, Kidam. Family activities are there to watch. Family activities, no draw to center or interest Malayamarna, Baba Gogi. Tazran, Opium Abado, Sandra Robado, Zerapore, Pigano, Olden Sandra Mamaterna, Taibala Masoche, lifestyle, Liba what are drastic changes, Aliza, Akini, Masamans. Dagulang is one imagine come there, Muzajer assess another suspect assess Lanakida. Tamni change in lifestyle, behavior, attitude, Tachimi Bajakche, time long adolescent period, Tajar, time long Ivala changes, Talewa, Sagaibala changes, Salewa, it will not be so drastic or dramatic, Talitong, Pumas. Tanam Tanamala changes develop us. Saga Muzajir Rajibo in few days' time in Yasiaji, Palahana Matabrachitana. Need use, abuse, dependent as you use stage Nujibo, Saksar, Pamuzajir, Lamatit. Abuse stage Mujitra was suspect as Muzajir as another. Dependent stage, addiction stage, Rabangla, Idanjibo, Malala Chita Saji, Tamashiba changes, Ajapte would be so dramatic, so obvious. Ibalaya Gijiba, Madats Nandamada Sarabangla, the sooner the treatment starts, the better. Use stage Muji, abuse stage Muji, the Madrabangla, treatment Garabangla, addiction stage Maturia. Addiction stage, dependent stage, Rabangla. And the Baluzabaje, Muzaji, Samatamaja, Muzatukzi, Matasa, family members, Yarity, Dazamatasa, Tazapano, Unutangero, Unugari, Unugariza, Matasa Mure, Tazabage, Muzaji Baje, the sooner it is identified and treated, the better is the outcome. Comorbid disorder, that's our current area. Comorbid disorder, Ibaja, Metadalis, Pamuzajir, Payabu Muzajir, Jada, stigma, discrimination, all those look down upon Ajaptualis, Saga, Asmi, Amatadalis, Baje, comorbid disorder, that's a condition card there. Comorbid condition disorder, that's our Bangla, Pamuzajiba, Tashidakjika, Iba Danjit Tama Tashidakadir. Ibaje. Jumanga, Madat Mumang, Yaritidas, Tasum Jumano, Yarit. Comorbid condition, physical assets, that is a TV Tamata physical illness, and it's a comorbid condition. Tied in Nana Chibia, more words are psychological comorbid condition, not you miss the name. Psychological comorbid condition, that's Ravanla. Tokulok has a related kingdom. Muz Ajir Raje, Tawana, two groups of drug addicts. Tapo kaje enjoy sinabagi chinabagi ache. That's it. That's it becomes addicted into the long run. Tapo. Another second group is psychological problem here. Supposing lokte sidan nong watching mission that sense bado tumalong modo de. Drugs to share mga tumalong watching mission that participates as sense de. That is the psychological problem je control as that ma by muzo watch dan. Masimwa anxiety disorder. These are mental illness. Depressive disorder. Masimwa relationship problems. With friend circle, in the family, between husband and wife. Tayo stress, any stress factor in life. Drugs, stress, it is like a temporary relief. However, in the long run, the problem, the stress factor which was there, and to kill the drugs, problem, in the long run, problem, psychological reasons. There are drugs and they become addicted to the drugs. Once addicted, it is very difficult to get out of it. Stress factor, group in the long run, they will develop anxiety, depression, many kinds of psychological issues. Kasi basar orang mazang tentang dasar addiction level aja tentang enjoyment atau dasar tentang pada udah po tolerance dasar condition kan je where drugs kui aja pada timba jauh sesamer kadang aja ibadah kick kamu idai je aja ko kaji pada kesal kick tu mau macam anak aja tu mau kesal kick tu macam development of tolerance enjoyment ajit do jauh dam timba jauh sesamer je pada cukup cuma macam je physical ya tapi mai macam macam ya cuma senut macam rak tamze kita kibong tim rara bangsan atau tunat school nuazam, college nuazam, sama aja macam tu, office nuaya mana sih, apa saat nuai temen cici, naji sih, kita sama cuma function sih, tu dah complication je, kadang develop sih umam sih, kadang complication je develop sih dia, liau dang tu, macam aja dang, enjoyment atau dasar tu nampak tu, tahu complication develop sih, dasar by realization dia harus. Ni drug aja kayak macam dokter selai dari realization ketika baru sekarang cukup dokter itu withdrawal symptom ada bagi tahu dam do ultimately psychological illnesses, mental illnesses, anxiety, ada depression, ada symptom ya develop group anak pun lagi drug muzaje group anak pun lagi ultimately they have anxiety and depression along with drug addiction. Tapi anda bawa sebab iba je amat kita lihat lah. Muza je bah, anda bawa sebab lain pada lagi aku mana bawa sebab. Iba nanti kalau me anxiety, depression gua develop sendiri saja. Iba saja iba lain je anda bawa sebab. Tak sama dah becomes a wholesome treatment regime. Tak iba je amat kita anda bawa muza je anda bawa. Muzajer itu dokter relaxer, Taiwan ajang sih. Why so? Why a drug addict on abstinence with help or without help keeps on relaxing? Relax aja, muzajer dokter itu kan aja, iba nanti relax aja. Iba senjang relax, macam kau daily itu aja tentang awal na. That's relaxes, yeah. Ibaya, it is considered as a part of recovery process. Muzajir, ibala jisam, ultimately, dokter teria. Muzaj dokter belum tu, there is this craving, muzi chineba, muzi chirkulan chamaratam batpon experience here, craving, but chineba, ibato, alitza saja, talang alizza. Iba the muzi to circulando conflict in the mind, conflict in the mind, the desire to take the drug, not to take the drug. That's what conflict to alizza. Taiba anaji, which now is talang. Muzi to circulana. That's a conflict, craving to liturgy, family members, kita, kinomor, iba jam, tata, muzajer, muzi to circulando, iba tamat panuje, and the muzi to circulan and relax as a Iba tamas one most important reason. Ni example katang shiti. Na chaka kanumalir. Ta sir, supposing you are in the government job, let us say. You are in the government job, you are posted in one place, you have been staying there. Iba nungje, kam ay kanang liwo na iba chaka nungje. Transfer order ka tukur na chaka tasin katiyaw. Chaka tasin nungje, joining report about circulan, you will not be as comfortable as you were in your previous place of posting. Comfortable philosophy, adjustment is drug users' lifestyle. Dependent, addicted on drugs, marginal more withdrawal symptoms, Dimapur images around Pan lifestyle, that Senamuz almost the Mono, Mabata Damajma Yams, was a sister, Tawia, Ras Ramas, Senamuz la Senam, Mam, Ajibuner, Sarama drug peddler, Shiva de Hamon, Talamam. Iban group Malayas, Sarang Padam Jode, the Kuba sending Murakulan by any means, group or by group. Kuba no drugs the pushes, drugs chain, Murakulan about the fixers, Masmajis, Iba the chair fixer, Iba kick, not the height that they get after taking the drugs. Iba kick Mundo and what to say them, our morals. Our Maruda, Chomajang Mabam, it Nundo, as Madama Buddha, as Madama Muzachis Buddhas, Taba, Mamajang, does not disaraglan, the same cycle starts, and it goes on and on like that, 365 days a year. That is the lifestyle of a chronic drug user. Iba Nungje Rubs Mano, Kilmore, Doge. Stigma and discrimination. Kuda sir yarisida mima kuda sir tasung jibano yarisida mas they are looked down upon. Stigma and discrimination is there always, and no one trusts them. Taiba situation kanungja aljer muzajer ajina muzatuk circulan pa iba situation nilirasa pa the word treatment or without treatment, he comes back to the same place where people look down upon him, where people don't trust him. That's a situation that is the he comes back to where he was, where people don't trust him, people still continue to look at him as a drug addict, whereas he had already given up. Doctor couldn't buy around there. Sakani Masama, the conflict between I want to continue, I don't want to continue, drug use, and then the craving. Jamarabana Chindiba, Taiba Butang, Lear Saiba, Mujipado, Major Serdon, Muza Chira Madame, Mibaron, Tritas, Das, Nisundang Saje, frustrates her, Malamala, relapses. Idem la dynamics ya, the Lera Muza Chira, Muz Doctor Glenje, iba tamat panung jan palu tebramala relax assess ba chance to tachamba amria ta so iba la jam listen ya reaction der normal ma bo panu listen prayer reaction ya pi tamat pesa nong synapse relapse prevention model ada 12 step model ada ta so cognitive behavioral treatment model ada reaction der panu pi pesa nong iba la ka achurja or kini mi ba or ताजे वाले आम दलिया मनु दावो लेसन सही और सगा किताब नवाले रितो या मालूम सना तासर मला रिलैक्स असेस चांस शे त्रा तचना ता मुझे ड्रग एडिक्शन लेदर में तेजिमिन साइ राउंडर जिमिनर सगा बाबा मालिया के तत्स आगे तुम दिबांग पॉइंट कार्ड लमसाते पर OST दासर वालेरा opioid substitution therapy OST therapy aja, iba enam aja, tak cuma aja. Detox more, react more, relaxation dan session asal dia panci OST center. Nunggu join us no aja na, tak cuma asal pan macam na. Ta OST related je, mungkin neram aja unuk tang ya, orang la unuk ke, tak cuma tiba no rasa aja unuk tang na. Ta iba kasih nunggu je, kita presentation, tak sahaja. Thank you very much.